Hello, magandang araw. Are you craving to learn something new? Then it's meal time. Math Explained apply to learn time. For today's lesson, we are going to discuss about the discriminant and to describe the roots. Before we start, please make sure to have a copy of the discriminant and how to describe the nature of the roots. I will start by giving you examples on how to solve discriminant and how to find the nature of the roots. Then afterwards, you'll try it on your own, as this is mealtime, math explained, and apply to learn time. We are going to find the value of the discriminant and we describe the solutions. Let us remember that this discriminant b squared minus 4ac is from the quadratic formula. This will help us just describe the solutions that we can get without knowing exactly the value of these solutions. Finding the discriminant, the value of the discriminant for this given. First is to identify the values of a, b, and c. So a is 1, b is negative 6, and c is positive 8. And then we substitute it with the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. b is negative 6, quantity squared minus 4 times the value of a and the value of c, which is 8. So we have negative 6 quantity squared, or negative 6 squared, is equal to 36 minus the product of the 3. 4 times 1 times 8 is equal to 32. We have there 32. So get the difference of 36 and 32. We have 4. As we know, this is a perfect square. So what will be the nature of the solutions if we have perfect square? As we all know, we will have two distinct rational solutions. That's it. Find the discriminant and then we describe the solutions. So the given is x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So first is to find values of a, b, and c. So our a is 1, b is negative 4, and c is equal to 4. Then we substitute. B is negative 4, quantity squared, minus 4ac. So negative 4 squared is equal to positive 16 minus the product of 4 times 1 and 4 is equal to 16. So 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So if the discriminant is 0, how are we going to describe the solutions of this equation? So we'll have, yes, equal or two rational solutions that are the same. Example, we have x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So let's solve for the discriminant. Identify a, b, and c first. B is 3, c is negative 4. Very good. Substitute. B is 3 quantity squared minus 4. What's the value of a? And the value of c is negative 4. So 3 squared is 9. Negative times positive times negative makes it positive. 4 times 1, 4 times 4 is 16. So we have 9 plus 16 is 25. So how do we describe this? It is a perfect square. So the nature of the roots or the nature of the solutions that we will find for this given example will have two distinct rational solutions. Okay? 2x squared minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Find first the value of a, b, and c. So our a is positive 2, b, negative 4, and c is 5. Then, to find the value of the discriminant, we substitute this with our b squared minus 4ac. So our b is negative 4 squared minus 4 constant, a is positive 2, and c is 5. Why did I write c there? Should be 5. Okay, next we have 4 squared, negative 4 squared is positive 16, minus 4 times 2, 8 times 5, 40. So, 16 minus 40, rules of integers, the answer is negative 24. So, this is a negative number. Therefore, the solutions are complex or no real solution. No real solutions. For our next given, we have 4y squared minus 4y is equal to 1. So, as we see, this is not in standard form. What's the standard form again of a quadratic equation? It is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, we need to change this first into this form. It should be 0. Right hand side of the equation must be 0. So we apply addition property of equality, or we get the inverse of positive 1. So that would be negative 1. We need to add it on both sides of the equation. So this is now 1 plus negative 1 is equal to 0. The right hand is 0. Then we rewrite this as 1. 4y squared minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. At this time, it's already in standard form. We can identify now the values of a, b, and c. So our a is 4. Our b is negative 4, and our c is negative 1. Then we substitute with our discriminant is negative 4 squared minus 4 constant. The value of a is 4, and the value of c is negative 1. So negative 4 squared is 16. Negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16, times negative 1 is positive 16. So we have 16 plus 16 is equal to 32. It is a positive non-perfect square. So we can say that the solutions are irrational numbers. We'll have two distinct irrational solutions. Irrational solutions. Even is in this form. So this is a bit challenging. So we need to first write this into standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c. And then that's the time that we can solve for the discriminant. So we use FOIL method. First, x times x is x squared. Outer, 3 times x is positive 3x. Inner, Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And the last, positive 3 and negative 2 is equal to negative 6 is equal to 0. Next is we combine like terms. Positive 3x and negative 2x will have x, correct? So we now have x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is now in standard form, so we can find the value of a, b, and c. A is 1, b is 1, and c is negative 6. So let's find the discriminant. B is 1 squared minus 4, a is 1, and c is negative 6. So 1 squared is 1. Negative 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 4 times. How do we describe the solutions? This is a perfect square. Therefore, we can find and say,
So this is your chance to apply what you've learned.
Solutions.
Please answer the following
two
questions.
distinct rational.
Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something today.
Solutions.
So it's time for you to share this mealtime with others. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more mealtime together. That's all. See you again next time. Bye-bye.